First, install and open the app called Ibispaintx. Click on the plus button. Click on Import Picture button. Choose the final photo you want to show at last from your gallery. Press Cancel button. Press on Layer button. Press on Camera icon. Choose the first picture you want to show at first on the video. Make sure your last chosen photo is on top layer. Now, start to draw on the same layer. Delete extra layers if it creates any. Don't move to another layer. Now, erase. It will remove your first photo and the final chosen photo will show up. It's like a great transition. You can see it's erasing. Completely erased. Now take a look of the final result we made. So now I hope you can also make this video by watching this video. So let's give it a shot. Goodbye.